Are you making these digital marketing mistakes? They could be costing you leads, sales, and brand growth. Let's fix them, fast. First, relying on guesswork doesn't work. Without data, you're flying blind. Imagine trying to navigate a ship without a map or compass. You wouldn't get very far, right? The same goes for your digital marketing strategy. Track key metrics like website traffic, conversion rates, and engagement to make smart decisions. These metrics are your compass and map, guiding you to success. Second, remember that not everyone is your customer. Trying to appeal to everyone is like shouting into a void. You need to know your target audience and tailor your message to them specifically. Spraying and praying wastes money. Posting without a plan? You're missing out. A well-thought-out content calendar can make all the difference. Third, if your website isn't optimized, customers can't find you. Your website is your digital storefront. If it's not user-friendly and optimized for search engines, you're losing potential customers. Make sure your website is easy to navigate, mobile-friendly, and filled with valuable content. Fourth, video is king. Brands that use video get more engagement and conversions. People love watching videos. They're engaging, informative, and shareable. Invest in high-quality video content to showcase your products, tell your brand story, and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Now you know what not to do. Start optimizing today. Implement these strategies and watch your business grow. Like, follow, and share for more marketing tips. Stay tuned for more insights to help you master digital marketing.